welcome back to PURELOTTIE. So today's video is the December Cozmobox. So if you want to see what I've got today, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family, hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. So jumping straight in, today we have the Cozmobox. It's in the same box as per usual and the same packaging. I will add to the screen how much I paid for it, and then at the end we do tally it up as well and find out whether it was good value for money. So we've got our little booklet with all the items in it. Okay, so the first product I have in here is from Rachel Couture, and it is a CC cream with hibiscus extract, and it is in the shade Light. So this is what it looks like. So this is what the packaging looks like on the inside. It's really pretty, and it does have the pump top as well. So it says here, the CC cream is a color correcting cream that is infused with hibiscus extract, and it works as a full coverage foundation. It's also got hydrating anti-aging serum and SPF 50+ sunscreen in it. So it basically encourages an all-around fresher, younger, smoother looking complexion and helps to purify your skin by breaking down dead skin cells and increasing skin cell turnover. It can also help to control acne and breakouts. I don't know. I'm going to have a think about this and see whether I actually want to try it, because if it is like a full coverage foundation, then I think I would like it. Okay, so the second item is a 4D mascara from Misha. So this is a full-size mascara. It retails for $14.98. It's 7 grams, and it says that it extends your eyelashes by protecting them with a deep black layer as well as a shiny finish. Thanks to a blend of natural waxes paired up with a square-shaped brush, this mascara gives the illusion of bigger eyes by creating extra large lashes. So that sounds really, really nice. I'm excited to give this one a try, and it's not a bad price as well. Okay, the next item that we have in here, I actually got this in my advent calendar as well, and it is a Cozmobox branded item. So it is actually an eyelash curler. So I'm going to pop one of these in the giveaway, and I will just keep the one. But basically you just pull down this little piece here, and you press, and you can have an eyelash curler on the go then. So pop your lashes in and curl it, and it has a spare little silicone piece here for popping there when you need it. So I really like this. I think this is a really, really cute idea. But yeah, I'll pop one in a giveaway because I don't need two. This is really good to have like if you're going out and you just want to make sure your lashes are nice and curled throughout the night. Now that retails for 29 Australian dollars. It says then I got 2 mystery items in here from Estee Lauder. So I'm assuming that's these. It's just in some tissue paper. So I got this, retails for $54, the 2 items together. So I've got the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. So just this little bottle here. And then I also got the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Plus Optimizing Power Treatment Lotion. So that just looks like that. So apparently these 2 items together retail for 54 Australian dollars. Okay, the next item I got here is from Lottie. Not sure exactly how to pronounce it, but it says it is a perfume pouch set. It's a deluxe sample size, and it retails for 35 Australian dollars. So just open up the box. It's really cute. It's wrapped up cute in there. Okay, it's like a little like zipped wallet, and it has the brand name on the zip as well. And then inside is the little sample perfumes. Oh, this is cute. So it's got a woman and a man perfume. So this is what they look like. So these are the full bottles, but then I got the samples there. So basically it says for the man's one, it's got bergamot, cypress, violet, sandalwood and musk. And for the women's one, it is bergamot, jasmine, vanilla, sandalwood and musk. And just smelling from the package, it smells really, really nice. But it basically says that it's a sleek pouch that is perfect for carrying the perfume set with you on the go. So you'll find 2 perfumes with elegant and sophisticated scents to make you feel glamorous and confident wherever you go. So this retails for 35 Australian dollars. I think that's really cute, and I love to get these sample perfumes because this is a way that I can find out what I like without purchasing such a big perfume bottle and then finding out I don't like it. Okay, the second last item, I think this is the 6th item, there's 7 items this time, is in this big black box. It is bubble wrapped. Oh, it's got crushed on this side. I hope the contents isn't broken. I'm going to open it up, but it is basically a candle, which I'm super excited about because I love getting candles. It is a mini soy candle, which is 80 grams. It retails for 20 Australian dollars. And I hope it's okay in here. Yes, thank goodness. Okay, so the box is crushed on the side there. So this is what it looked like. Moss Straight Fragrances Vanilla Caramel 80 grams scented soy candle. But the inside is still perfectly fine. This is a really nice luxury looking candle. And it smells so delicious. So it says here, the vanilla caramel scented soy candle is deliciously rich, creamy, and irresistibly sweet. The top note of warm buttercream is released first, followed by the heart notes of creamy caramel and malt, whilst the base notes of vanilla bean and honey permeate the space. Ooh, so this is going to be really, really nice. I mean, it smells delicious. I cannot wait to burn this one. I love that they're adding some of these like unique things in, like the eyelash curler, the candle, the perfume. It's nice to get different things other than just like skincare, because majority of the time it is just skincare. But the lucky last item is a makeup item, which we all know I love my makeup items. So it is from Bella Pierre, and it is in this bubble wrap packaging as well. But it is a large eyeshadow palette, and this retails for 79 Australian dollars. So I'm hoping it means it's going to be a really nice one. Okay, so this is what the front of the palette looks like. It says it's a buttery smooth 35 colour eyeshadow palette with a range of matte, satin, shimmer and foil eyeshadows. From silky taupes, shimmering golds to rich plums, this palette is perfect for daytime or smouldering evening looks. And I think I already said it, but it retails for $79.90. The packaging feels really, really nice. It's got a decent weight. It's not super light, but not super heavy either. Perfect. It's not ruined, thank goodness. It is all in a one piece. So this is what it looks like. Now, whilst I am super excited to have an eyeshadow palette in here, I don't know again if I'm going to keep this because I can't hold on to everything, and a lot of these colors that I'm looking at, they look like colors that I have in other palettes. So this is when I normally make the decision to pop them in giveaways, so then you guys can enjoy it too and not just me. And I do have giveaways coming very shortly. I have them set up, I just keep forgetting to post them. So yeah, keep an eye out for that because those will be coming shortly. But I think I might keep this for another giveaway. But we'll see how I feel over the next few days whether I want to use it or not. So the total value of the December box was $262.92. I will confirm that on the screen for you as well and let you guys know how much I paid. But I think this is probably one of my favorite boxes again. I really, really loved this month. It had a really nice collection of things. We had skincare, we had makeup, we had candles, we had perfumes. So yeah, I think I really liked it because it was a combination of items and not just like all skincare, all makeup, all hair care, all like fragrances or anything like that. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and switch that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching guys. Bye!